In front of me is INFINIX Note Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to tap on AI Gallery and select photos or albums. Let's start with albums. Click on one from which you want to get rid of your photos. Hold one of them and use this icon at the top right corner. This way you will select multiple right away. Now, to select ones you wish to keep, slide your finger across all of them. Then, to get rid of the rest, use the delete button at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to delete them from Photos section, you can do it the same way. You can pick all of them by tapping on this button at the top right corner. But you can also click on only those at the top right corners of chosen sections. For example, I want to delete photos only from today and keep those two. Then delete the rest. You can do that by clicking on the same delete button as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!